What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Mountain Creek vlog. Today we're here with Jacob.
What up?
He's back. He loves snowboarding and he's ready to fall some more and have a great day.
Oh yeah.
We're here on February 10th, Wednesday. It's about 1 p.m. It's beautiful. We're heading up Bear Peak right now and we're just gonna do a couple laps today. Keep it chill, keep it mellow. Before we get into the video though, I am trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of this winter. So if you hit that subscribe button for me, if you're enjoying the content, I'd really appreciate it. Got anything to say?
Just gonna send it.
Priority shipping, UPS, we're sending it, baby. Let's go. 10 minutes later. You know where to go, right? All right. Remember all your training. Beautiful day, huh? So nice. Yeah, your first black diamond. Oh wait, going off trail? Oh my god. Quick update, Brian's here with the new goggles. Check them out, looking fresh. Jacob's absolutely killing it. Took him down the black diamond over on Bear, so that way
What to him?
just went down. What the Brian, let me explain. So Jacob wasn't having a fun time on the rollers because they were a little difficult. He didn't have a lot of room to practice turning, so instead we took him down the outside trail onto the black diamond where he could take his time going down and then have the nice open wide trail to practice his turns. And Jacob, how do you feel about it?
Good. Yeah, just kind of slowly down the black diamond.
And then just make some turns. He's absolutely killing it. His third day snowboarding. I'm so proud. What can I say? I'm just proud.
Thanks, Dad.
So now that Brian's here, nothing's probably gonna change. It's just an extra person.
Yeah. And
yeah, we're gonna take some more laps. Jacob's gonna hit like a backflip or something this run. It's gonna be sick. Let's go. Phew. Up here. Woo! That's actually so fun. There you go. Get a little lower. Yeah. There you go. My boy. Hello. All right, we're coming down right now, so if you just wait like 5 minutes. Oh, jump it. guys, real quick update. Me and Brian are taking a quick run down south. Haven't been over here today. Probably just gonna hit everything and do mellow tricks. Nothing crazy. It's been really fun so far. Jacob's taking a quick break 'cause his legs are weak. Make sure you hit leg day. So let's take a quick run down south, have a little fun with it, get a little funky. That's it. Let's go. What up? We're back on the lift again. That was a really fun lap down south. Unfortunately, my battery died halfway through it. The bottom half was so fun. They put a couple new features up, but we got Jacob back, hitting another run down Bear. We're having a sick time today, guys. Smash subscribe for a good time. By the way, if you want to ever ride with me, hit me up on Instagram at SnowSkateShred. Give me a follow and just DM me. We could ride. I mean, I love riding with new people, so let's go to some riding, boys. You. I like the vibes. Yeah. All right, guys, we are back in the car today after a sick day at Mountain Creek. My boy Jacob over here got so much better today. You saw in the last couple clips, he was just absolutely carving it up, just sending perfect turns. He's getting a lot better. Only his third time out here. So, like I've said before, highly recommend picking up snowboarding if you haven't already. So fun, give it a shot. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, comment something interesting, and subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.